What is up mga man? It's your main man Vince back at it again with another video. At ngayong araw nga, samahan nyo kami sa Cebu, Bohol. Let's go! Tara na sa Cebu mga man. Pagdating namin ng Cebu Airport, rumekta na kaming van papunta sa port kung saan sasakay kami ng Roro papuntang Bantayan Island. And this island, I can say, is one of the most beautiful islands that I've been to. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, grab your bags, withdraw from your ATM, pumunta na ng Bantayan Island kasi all I can say, it was definitely worth at least 8 hours of travel from Manila to this beautiful island. From the sand, to the palm trees, and to the breeze of the air, even the mga tao dito sobrang accommodating, especially dun sa place na pagstayan namin, and sobrang relaxing ng place, sobrang aesthetic din. So mga mag-selfie ka na dyan. Pero guys, kidding aside, definitely worth visiting. And with this kind of vibe, hindi mo pwedeng palagpasin ang motor trip. Kaya si Talia mo na pinag-drive ko dito kasi hindi naman ganun katao, hindi ganun kadami yung sasakyan, at para maka-experience siya ng makaangkas ng isang pogi. What? And shit! A lot of places and activities you can do in Bantayan Island, pero ito yung pinaka-gusto kong trip sa kanilang lahat. Dito sa Mangrove Forest, aside from sa mga beach trip na ginawa namin. So, sobrang relaxing lang kasi nito. After namin mag-Bantayan Island for 2 days, we headed out to Cebu City again para mag-city trip naman, and we visit different places sa Cebu like this Sarao Garden, Temple of Leia, Karkar Market, one of the best lechons. Definitely need to come back there. Sobrang sarap na lechon nila. Pero yun, sadly hindi kami nakapunta sa 10,000 Roses and hindi kami Sisilex kasi nga yun, nagka-abere yung panahon. But again, after ng city trip namin, sumakay ulit kami ng Roro or ng speed jet, kung ano, ocean jet, papuntang Bohol City naman. Pagdating ng Bohol, may naghihintay na sa aming kotse for our countryside tour mga man. And ayun, ang daming places namin napuntahan, but here are some highlights, quick highlights ng mga napuntahan namin trip. And isa na nga dito yung Butterfly Park. Dito ko unang humawak ng ahas ng Eva. Ang laki-laki pa. Oh, 'di ba? Ahas kasi nila 'yan eh. Marami silang ahas na pwede mong hawakan. Pero first time ko to. So, yeah. After noon, man-made forest. What a beautiful place to be. Ang ganda, napaka-aesthetic. Syempre, di ka naman pupunta ng Bohol kung wala kang video or picture ng Chocolate Hills. In this case, matcha. Kasi nga, tag-ulan. So, sabi nila nagiging chocolate hills yan pag summer. Pero, syempre, di tayo mag-Bohol. Mag-motor trip naman tayo dito sa Bohol. And, ang dami namin napuntahan na place, guys, nung nag-motor trip na kami. And one of those places is this cave na napakaganda, napakalamig ng tubig. So, definitely a must-visit place kapag nasa Bohol kayo. Huwag niyong papalampasin to. Pero kasi I'm the type of guy or type of person na kapag nagbabakasyon, ayoko nang masyado madami pinupuntahan. Especially if nasa beach ka. All I want is to relax by the shore, drink some coffee, drink some beer, or eat some ice cream. Pero this is a first for me kasi ang dami kong pinuntahan in a small island, and sobrang enjoy and sobrang worth ng energy, sobrang worth ng gastos, and definitely with the right people and with the right energy, may enjoy mo talaga yung trip kahit gano'n nakakapagod. But again, we have to go back to Manila kasi we have to be responsible adults, and we have bills to pay, so we do have to work again. But definitely, guys, kung isa kayo sa mga napapagod na sa ingay ng Manila, definitely Cebu and Bohol is one of the places to visit, and you should take your time off. But silba naman ako para makinig ka. Pero yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood. It's your main man Vince signing out. Yun lang, ingat, peace. Woo!